Hello everyone. Our project Kaizala connector is to connect UiPath with Microsoft Kaizala. Microsoft Kaizala is an easy to use, secure mobile app that improves the way of communication and collaboration by offering a simple and familiar chat interface. It only requires mobile number to sign up. Kaizala makes it easy to connect and coordinate work with your entire value chain, including first level business employees such as vendors, field employees, partners, etc. It's compliant with GDPR, HIPAA, ISO 27001 and SOC 1. This project is to build a custom activity to enable enterprise to connect their Kaizala platform with UiPath for process automation. Our solution focus on bringing the unorganized business operation into a digital platform. We have created custom activities like send message, post poll, send announcement, and post job. We have created activity using C# with code activity and native activity classes. It's been implemented, it's been installed in UiPath through managed packages. Once the packages are installed, you will be able to see Kaizala activity here. Uh, Here, Kaizala scope is the base for other activities to perform. Here, Kaizala scope helps you to connect UiPath with the Kaizala app. For connecting Kaizala scope to the UiPath to the Kaizala app, we need connector ID, connector secret, and refresh token. This can be created by creating connector in Kaizala app. Once this connector is created, create a group, public group, and generate public group token as well, and make a note of that. Once these are created, these details has to be entered for Kaizala Hope. Connector ID, connector secret, and refresh token are the mandatory parameters for Kaizala scope. Once these details are given, we can move on to the next activity. We will see post announcement first. Post announcement is used to send announcement to the entire group, like medical plan. Here the announcement message, announcement title, and group ID of the specific group to which we are going to post the announcement has to be given. Next one is post poll. Post poll is used to record the opinion. Here we have to provide poll questions and poll choices. Poll choices has to be separated by semicolon. Each choice has to be separated by semicolon, and the expiry time within which we need to provide the poll response, and the group ID, the public group to which we are going to post this poll. Next one is send message. Here message content and group ID are the mandatory fields here. Here send message used to send message to the group. Next one is post job. A post job is used to assign a job to a specific person in the group with ETA. We can assign the job to the specific person with the mobile number to which that person is tagged. Here we need to provide the job title, that just must be the job name, and then assign to this mobile number to whom we are going to assign the job, and the deadline has to be provided in hours, and then group ID, the specific group to which we are going to post this. Okay, we will execute the activities now. We will get the okay, we will execute now. successfully executed. We will see here. First, we got announcement and then poll, message, and then job assigned. That's it. Thanks for watching.